There's an issue here of a government having its hands tied when they should be tied, when they are tied by law.
Call an election, hold a referendum, or prepare for court. That's the directive the Manitoba Progressive Conservatives issued to the province's NDP government on Tuesday. The Tories say the provincial sales tax hike, which raised the tax from 7% to 8% on July 1st, undermines the NDP mandate.
If the government will not call a referendum, it should have the decency to do what is right and call an election. It did not receive a mandate to increase the PST. It has proposed to do so without a mandate. In fact, quite the contrary. It promised not to raise taxes and is proposing to do so now without making the case that it should.
While the Tories can't force the NDP to call any type of vote, they have vowed a legal fight against the PST. It's based on an argument the tax hike shouldn't have been passed within the same bill as one clearing the need for a referendum to allow it. Tories say the removal of the referendum should have occurred first, followed by a separate move to hike the tax. A constitutional law expert says there is an argument to be made about the process that put the PST hike in place. He's not sure, however, if that would override a court's concerns about allowing one legislature to tie the hands of a future one. The court challenge could be filed once legislation to implement the tax hike becomes law, which is expected during the fall session. Joyanne Persega, Sun News.